Did you just receive your Born Scum Visor sticker and you're looking at it trying to figure out how the hell do I make this thing fit on my helmet? It clearly doesn't fit on my helmet. Well, the truth is it's universal and it will fit, but putting it up here, no, that's not gonna work. Not across there, no. Not there either, no. And this is the same here. I see people put them on like this and say, oh, it doesn't fit my helmet. Well, it does fit your helmet. You have to take your time. First thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna line it up. So on this one, the cross is the center. We're gonna line that up to the center of the helmet. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna slowly work your way from the middle out. And it's really up to you, but the truth is we're following the top line of the visor. We're stretching it, we're pulling, we're making it work for us. Do not let the vinyl win. Vinyl is very pliable, it's stretchy, and it's forgiving. So if at any moment it pisses you off, pull it off, start over. So what we're gonna do is just take our time and work that top edge of the visor. See here we get some bubbles, some creases. So we do pick it up, work it with our thumbs, back and forth, trying to get the bubbles out, get the creases out. And like I said before, at any moment, you can pull that whole piece up and start over again. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. I hope it helped you out on the install, and we hope to see you out on the road.